Craftears is a custom in-ear monitor company from Poland. I established it 5 years right now. So, and before that, I was a drummer, I was a music producer, I own my own recording studio. So that gives me a background for the company. We are specialized in crafting tailored, custom-made, beautiful earphones that just sounds great and will provide you unique, very experience, no matter if you are performing on stage or just enjoying the music in your home. As a drummer, I always wanted a custom ear monitors, but they were often out of my budget. So because I got my background as a mechanical and sound engineer, I decided to create one for myself. After a lot of trials and errors, it turned out successful. And thanks to my connections within the music community, I was able to refine both the sound and design of earphones. And eventually, the Craftears was born. Craftears is a brand made by musicians and audiophiles, specifically for musicians and audiophiles. We pride ourselves on offering exceptional quality and competitive prices, along with prioritizing customers' needs. We put a huge effort to sound and design of every earphone that is manufactured by us, to be sure that it meets and exceeds our standards. Our team is a blend of audiophiles, musicians, artists, engineers, and we share the same passion that is love to the great quality of music and good quality of in-ear monitors that are just beautiful. Beyond that, after the work hours, we are just friends that hang out together, talk about different stuff. And I think that that kind of good choice of great technicians, artists, is a key to the Craftears quality. The core values at Craftears are first of all the customer centricity. We talk to our customers, we listen to them. We are also the musicians and audiophiles. We know what are the expectations from our brand, so we try not only to reach that expectations but exceed it. The second thing is the innovation. We always searching for boundaries, pushing even further, researching new technologies, new driver configurations, new frequency ranges, to make sure that we provide something very unique that sounds just beautiful. So, and it is connected to quality, which is very important also to us. We put huge effort to be sure that the earphones sounds great, are very durable, but also looks great. And because of our great artists we have at our company, we just can make the beautiful earpiece that fits well, that sounds well, and also looks very good. And the last thing, I think it's the connection, everything that I said previously, is the passion to the music, to earphones, to the good sound quality that just makes us proud to do what we do. So I think that makes our company, the Craftears, unique. The process of crafting Craftears in-ear monitors is quite complicated. It starts with the ear impressions that needs to be done. After we will receive that, we carefully shape it to get the correct shape, to make sure it will fit correctly. Then we 3D scan it to create a whole database of our customers. And after that, we either 3D print it or hand pour the resin shells. After that, we have to make sure that the whole electronics that will be placed inside is correctly assembled. So we put everything outside of the earphone and measure it and make sure that the sound is just like we want it. After that, we just put everything together. We place electronic inside the shell. Our artists then take care on the faceplates. So they put all different styles of graphics, of materials on the faceplate of our earphones. After that, we just sand the earphone, lacquer it to make sure it will be just very shiny and glossy. And yeah, that's the way how it's done here at Craftears. Beside the custom in-ear monitors, we also offer the universal ones. That means that everyone can just buy it, place the ear tip on the end of the earphone, and enjoy the music. The design here at Craftears is very important for us. We put huge effort to make sure that our earphones not only sound great but also look gorgeous. So once in a while we have something that is called Design Day. This is a day when we just all brainstorming, trying different materials, trying different colors, looking for some kind of new opportunities, manufacturing technologies, just to be sure that we can push our designs even further. Sometimes after that day, we come up with great new design that is introduced to our lineup. And I think this is everything because we are all very passionate and dedicated to what we are doing here. The major crafters' achievements over the previous few years include, first of all, the technologies that we've created, the Raisin, the space expansion system, TrueLoad. We are very proud of that technologies, and moreover, we not only introduce them in our flagship models, but also including them in our mid-range models, for example, just to make sure that our customer can also experience it, even with a lower budget. The second thing is that we, over the few years, become one of the best companies in Europe that makes custom in-ear monitors that we make beautiful and great sounding in-ears. And that is confirmed by a lot of awards that we have received in the past from reviewers all over the world. And I think the last thing is the great artists, the musicians that are known worldwide, that are using our in-ears, for example, on stage while they are performing.